Now I am going to tell you how to use transport in the ERP module of My Concept Booster. So let's get into this. Firstly, click on the option transport here. You can see the menu of detailed registration and user history in the traveler or user. So for this user, if we see the screen, you have to make a route first and also you have to create a vehicle first. So for that, get into this list, open vehicle and fill the details like the number would be around this one, type would be bus, car, which one. We will be mentioning Volvo bus for this, and if you want to write any description we can write it here. So let's add any student or staff for this. So we can see the staff here. Once you select the staff, click on add staff for this, then only the staff will be added for this bus, and then click on create. So the vehicle is created now. Later on, create the route for this. So create the route as something like Uppal route. Rent would be around 25,000 for this. Description will be around from Secunderabad to Uppal something, and you can find the vehicle here, the vehicle we have added. Click on that and add vehicle. So then only the vehicle will be added for this route. So once you add the vehicle, you can select create. Now the route has been created. Once you have created the route, go into the traveler, the registration screen. So you can select for whom you are assigning this bus or something. So let's see we have a student with the registration number of 1 or something. So get into the registration form, type will be student, registration number will be 1, select the status active or inactive for this student, and select the route from the drop down and select the vehicle from this drop down. Once you create everything, click on save button. This will save the route for this vehicle and this for this student. So this is how it's done. And once you can after adding the student, you can select these options like to shift from one route to another route, or you can leave him from this vehicle. And if you want to see the list, you can use these drop downs here. With this selection you will get the list of the table, whereas the detail screen will be seen in this transport detail, and the user history will be like for whom we have added these all and everything. So this is how we use transport module in ERP module.